Welcome to this Google Classroom demonstration series. Today, we are going to look at how to create discussion topics within Google Classroom. To start with, from our homepage, we're going to go to the top of the screen where our menu is and go to Classwork and click on Classwork. Now, once we are in the Classwork section, we are going to come down to where the blue button is that says Create and click on Create. This is going to bring us a drop-down menu, and from the drop-down menu we are going to go down to Question. Alright, so now we are going to create our topic where you're going to ask your students a question or give them a prompt of which they can discuss with their group. So let's do what makes soil good for plants to grow. Gracious. All right, you have the option to give more specific instructions, and you also have the option to add files, links, YouTube videos for the students to watch or react to within the discussion topic as well. You may also create any sort of document or slide or sheet, any of the Google tools within this question as well. Once you have created your topic and you are now ready to set it up for students to use, make sure that you have the choices set to short answer on the drop-down menu right next to your question or your topic, I should call it. And then you're going to come over here and find where it says All Students. Click on the down arrow and you will assign it to the students that you want to participate in this particular discussion topic. You can choose, I only have one student. You can choose all your students, or you can just choose a couple students, however you want to design this particular topic discussion. Then you're going to choose your categories. You can assign a due date if you wish. I'm going to assign this to week 2. And then you have the option to schedule. Oops, I didn't assign it to any students. You have the option to schedule for a later date, or you can ask the question right now. I'm going to go ahead and ask the question right now. All right, now I can come over to my topics, which are on my far left, or they're smack dab in the middle of my screen too. And I will find what makes the soil grow assignment. I can view the question, and I can also view any sort of activity that the students are having on the discussion topic that's been provided to them. And that is how you create a discussion topic within Google Classroom.